Okay, property management tips and tricks. I've got one for you here that is going to help reduce your stress. It's going to make life a lot easier. It's going to help you lease more apartments. And by the way, if you work in the industry, if you work in property management or you want to work in property management, subscribe to this channel because it's all about you. It's all about helping you. I want to give you the advice, the tips, the tricks that are going to help you lease more apartments. So today's question comes from Eric Parker. Team, hey, put Eric Parker's question on the board. There it is. I can see it. Perfect. Matt, love the videos. Thank you, Eric. Thank you so much. Long-time subscriber. Boom. Wasn't that just what we were talking about? Great. So thanks for subscribing, Eric. Hey, do you have any tips and tricks when people walk into the leasing office and say, I'm just looking today? Oh, that annoys us, right? Especially when we're in kind of a hot area and you get a lot of people that are just coming, hey, new construction, hey, I just wanted to check things out. I'm just looking today, right? It kind of puts us off. A lot of times we don't know how to handle that as leasing agents. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, I've got some advice it's going to solve that problem for you. You're going to actually be hoping somebody walks into the leasing office and says, oh, I'm just looking today. All right, so 3 things I want to cover before I tell you exactly what to say when somebody walks into your leasing office and says, I'm just looking today. Number 1, okay, nobody shops for an apartment for fun. They're not just looking. Nobody's like, oh, hey, Randy, what do you want to do this weekend? I don't know. Let's go look at some apartments, right? Nobody shops for an apartment for fun, right? They may go over to the car dealership for fun. We all shop for clothes when we're not really going to buy anything. But nobody heads over to an apartment community, parks their car, and walks in because it's just fun, right? They've got something going on in their life that either they're not happy with or most likely they've got to move, okay? So number 1, they're there for a reason. Number 2, I want you to set their mind at ease, okay? I want you to let them know it's okay. A lot of people come in here that they're just looking, right? Set their mind at ease. Make it okay to just look. And explain it's a perfect opportunity for you to build value in the community. Hey, this property is so popular, a lot of people come in just to look, right? This is the place to be. Everybody wants to live where everybody wants to live, all right? So number 1, they're not just looking. Number 2, let them know it's okay to just look and let them know that the property is so popular, a ton of people check it out, all right? Number 3, you need to have something to say that moves the deal forward. I'm going to repeat that. You need to have something to say that moves the deal forward. A lot of us get jammed up when somebody's like, hey, I'm just looking right now. Oh, okay, I understand. See you later, bye. There goes a lease. Out the door, right? We want to keep things positive. We want to keep things light. We want to keep things fun. And we want to move the deal forward, all right? So when somebody walks in, you say, hey, it's a great day at Meadows. What can I get you information on? Oh, we're just really looking today. Outstanding, makes perfect sense. Our property is so popular. A lot of people visit just to look. Are you looking for an apartment that's larger than where you're at right now or something that's smaller than where you're living right now? See how I did that? Makes perfect sense. Our property is so popular, a lot of people visit just to look. Are you looking for an apartment that's larger than what you have right now or something that's smaller than where you're living today, right? Are you looking for something larger than where you're at right now or something that's smaller than where you're living today? They're going to answer you. They're going to be like, well, we really want something bigger, right? We need a bigger bedroom, right? We can't even fit our bed in there. Or, we're downsizing. We got a kid getting ready to go to college and we don't need all the space that we're at right now. Or they're going to say, size really isn't that important to us. We're just ready to step it up a bit, right? We want more of a lifestyle, and we really like the fact that you guys have that resort style saltwater pool. Now you're talking, now you're moving things forward. Don't let their conditioned response, right? Their defensive response. And we're going to talk about that in a future video, right? We're going to talk about how they have these reactionary defensive responses to when they hear you come up and they're like, man, I don't want to be sold. I really don't want to sign a lease today. I'll just tell them I'm just looking, right? Don't let their fears stop you from being positive, from being light, from being professional, and from helping them, right? Don't let it stop you from helping them. I hope this helps. Eric Parker, yes, you, Eric Parker. Big shout out to you. Thank you for the question. Everybody else out there, please leave your comments, leave your questions. I'll make you a video just like this, all right? So, hope you've subscribed. I will see everybody, my legion of leasers, my army of apartment maniacs. I will see you on the next video, and I hope you've checked us out over at leasinguniversity.com. It's the #1 training for people just like you. Folks that go through our training, they lease 7 times more apartments. That's right, 7 times more apartments. So check out the on-demand video training over at leasinguniversity.com. Till the next video, be great and get those leases. I'll see you soon.
I've been in the property management industry I'm on my 3rd year, and I have never got a lease signed that fast.
My name is Matt Easton, and I'm the founder of Leasing University. I've worked with thousands of leasing consultants and property managers just like yourself to help them get better, to help them get more leases.
I love the way that Matt pushed the leasing professionals to think about how people think.
I've developed Leasing University just for you. You and I are going to work together virtually from your phone, from your tablet, from your PC. I'm going to be here to coach you every step of the way, 24/7, 365. You and I are going to work to get you better, to help you get those leases. The way people rent apartments is totally different today than it was yesterday. Renters have more access to information than they've ever had before, and they've got more choices than they've ever had before.
I just got my first deal as a leasing consultant, and I haven't even been in the leasing game in a week. I started on Monday, and today is Sunday, and I got my first 2 deals. It really taught me how to go the extra mile and really gave me the why behind the important things that you have to do when you are leasing and meeting with people and connecting with them and helping them choose their home.
My name is Kayla, and the one thing I like about Leasing University is it teaches you how to do property management and leasing and make the best out of all of it.
Everything that you need to know to get better, to hit your occupancy goals, to make more money, to advance your career as a leasing consultant, it's all right here for you at Leasing University.